Cloud-based communication has become the standard for how businesses operate today, creating a strong opportunity for MSPs, IT providers, and technology consultants to build a UCaaS reselling business and add a reliable recurring revenue stream. Let's explore 5 essential steps to start your UCaaS business. Companies want flexible, modern tools that support mobility, hybrid work, and simple management. UCaaS gives your customers a unified way to call, message, meet, and collaborate from anywhere while you step into the role of their communications provider. First, evaluate your market and define your niche. Look at the customers you already serve and the types of businesses in your region. Consider their size, their communication needs, and which industries are ready to replace outdated phone systems. Understanding your niche helps you focus your efforts and refine the solution you plan to offer. The second step is choosing the right white label UCaaS provider. Your partner determines your reliability, scalability, and the total experience you will deliver. The right platform gives you the technology, the automation, the training, and the support that make it possible to run a profitable and efficient UCaaS practice. The third step is developing your service packages and pricing strategy. Define the features you want to include, decide whether you will create tiered bundles or a la carte options, and set pricing that aligns with your market and your margin goals. Clear packaging helps customers understand the value and makes your offering easier to sell. The fourth step is establishing your technical infrastructure and operational processes. This includes setting up your reseller portal, learning how to provision services, configuring accounts, and understanding the billing workflow. These processes create the foundation for delivering a consistent customer experience and managing your UCaaS business day to day. The fifth step is building your sales and marketing approach. Draw from your existing relationships and highlight how UCaaS solves common communication challenges. Show prospects how Cloud Voice improves flexibility, simplifies management, and helps them support a modern workforce. A clear go-to-market strategy accelerates early wins and builds long-term momentum. Together, these 5 steps create a complete roadmap for launching a successful UCaaS reselling business. If you want to partner with a UCaaS platform built specifically for resellers, you can learn more at skyswitch.com.